In this video we are going to learn how to replace a rear broom on a Bucher E35 sweeper. These are the tools you will need to complete the broom replacement: 2 bungee cords, a ratchet and impact wrench, a 19mm, 17mm, and a 6mm socket and wrench, a dead blow hammer, and a flat tip screwdriver. Lower the broom. Start the chassis. And engage the PTO. Engage power to the equipment and let it cycle. Briefly, turn on the broom to make sure it is touching the ground. Once you are sure the broom is on the ground, you can now turn off the chassis. Lift the broom cover by first disconnecting the chains on the lower left and right sides of the cover. Unlatch locks on the upper right and left side of the cover. And then lift the cover, pushing props into locking position on the upper left and right sides of the cover. Use the bungee cords to secure the left and right side of the broom cover in the upright position. Disconnect the grease fittings on the left and right sides of the broom. Using the 17mm wrench, disconnect the 3 hub bolts on the hub mount, freeing the right side of the broom. Using a 19mm wrench and a 19mm socket and impact wrench, remove the 4 bolts on the bearing plate located on the left side of the broom. Once the bolts have been removed, the broom should move freely and can be removed from the back of the sweeper. Using the 17mm socket and ratchet, remove the 3 bearing assembly bolts, disconnecting the bearing assembly on the left side of the broom. Using the 6mm socket and ratchet, remove the 3 fiber guard bolts on both the left and right sides of the broom. Using the 17mm socket and ratchet, loosen the 3 mandrel bolts on both the left and right sides of the broom. Using the dead blow hammer, tap on the bolts on both the left and right mandrel plates. Using a flat tip screwdriver, pry the mandrel plates free of the broom. Once free, the mandrel can now be completely removed from the broom. Reverse and repeat these steps to install the new broom. That completes the rear broom replacement on a Bucher E35 sweeper.